Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's ClickFunnels 2.0 tutorial, I would like to show you how you can duplicate or clone a funnel in ClickFunnels 2.0. While it's not done the way it was done in ClickFunnels 1.0 or Classic, it's still easy, as you will see in a moment. Before we get to that, click that subscribe button that you see below the video and don't forget to enable notifications to not miss out on our future videos. Duplicating a funnel in ClickFunnels 2.0 is pretty much the same as sharing this funnel. And that's why the first step that we will need to do is to create a share link for your funnel. You can do that in the settings of the funnel. You can open the settings from here by clicking on this icon, or if you have this funnel open, you can go to the settings of the funnel and then click Generate a Funnel Share Link. In this field, you can change the name for this share funnel and also select a category. And after that, click Generate a Funnel Share Link. It may take a moment, but you will also see the notification that the funnel is successfully published. And in the settings, you will see the share funnel link. And now we can move to the step number 2, which would be to import this funnel into our account. For that, we copy the link and open this link in the new browser tab. Most likely you will see only one account if you have one ClickFunnels account, but you can select in which workspace you want to import this funnel if you have multiple. I select the one that I was using. We will see the notification that funnel was claimed, and we will be notified when it will be imported into our account. You can refresh the page and see if the funnel is already ready. And you may notice that I now have the copy of the affiliate marketing funnel in my account. Just a quick note, you cannot use this way to share the funnels from your ClickFunnels 1.0 account to ClickFunnels 2.0 account, but you can easily duplicate the funnels that you have in your ClickFunnels 2.0 account. I hope that this video was helpful. If that's the case, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications, and I will see you in the future videos. Bye bye.